Welcome to the DK Custom Products YouTube channel. I appreciate you watching. Today we're going to be installing the DK Custom Products 606 air cleaner. Now, before I show you guys what all is involved in this installation, I'd appreciate if you guys would like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now, I mentioned that we're going to do this installation with the 606 air cleaner. We're actually going to use the 606 with the contrast cut fend cover, as well as a matching timing cover. So I think that'll look really great on this OG Nightster. This is one of my favorite covers that we offer here at DK. It's a contrast cut. It's billet aluminum. It's machined with fins on it, and then we hand sand for the contrast cut on top. It's powder coated as well. Now, in addition to the air cleaner cover, we have a matching timing cover. It's going to look really great. So you got the timing cover that'll be down below the air cleaner cover. All right, so now I'm happy to be the one to show you how to install this. So let's get at it. The first thing you're going to do, take this OEM hot box off the bike. Your experience may vary, but for the most part, on all Sportster models, they look just like this. A face plate with a plastic back plate enclosing an air filter element. Just remove all the fasteners that may be holding it together. Now, this particular bike, as you can see, there's a hose down here. It's already had an external breather system installed, but this particular owner is going to upgrade the air cleaner entirely to our 606. In addition to the 606 air cleaner system, this customer has opted for the transformer external breather system. The transformer is just one of many external breather systems we offer. It's also the latest and greatest system out there on the market. If you'd like to see the installation of the transformer, please check out the link in the top right corner above. All right, now sometimes these are stuck on with the gasket. Just come straight off, and there you have your throttle body. Now, the very next thing you're going to take off is the OEM support bracket, because as you may or may not be aware, the transformer doubles as a support bracket. So the OEM support bracket is not needed when using the transformer. The next step would be to install the air cleaner. 606 is equipped with standoffs. The hardware in those aluminum standoffs is not long enough to pass through the transformer into your throttle body. So what we do is we include longer set screws. And so you just got to swap those out in order to use the 606 with the transformer. But again, we include those. I'm going to swap them out now. So we'll, of course, you're going to have a metal back plate against the metal transformer. So you need a gasket. Again, the adhesive side goes on first. Try to line it up as perfect as possible. You don't want to be fighting against off-centered gasket when you're passing your fasteners through to hold the air cleaner to the transformer. All right, the next step will be to install your air cleaner back plate. All right, it'll go in there just like that as shown. And so you can see why this works with the transformer, but a Screaming Eagle or an RLNS will not. Screaming Eagle or RLNS, they have the standoffs that come off it. Just would not go on, just be physically impossible. So we'll go ahead and fasten this in place now. I have thread locker on these fasteners. This is not something you want coming loose and following you down the side of the road. Now these three standoff fasteners, that's going to hold the filter element to the air cleaner itself. All right, now these get torqued to 40 to 60 inch pounds, not foot pounds, again, inch pounds. You don't want to break these off. All right, find your holes, install your 3 button head fasteners. These you want to tighten down just until you see the face of the filter element start to flex inward and bend inward, and that's perfect. So you don't want to sucking it in, but just enough to hold it tightly to the back plate, and that's a complete installation, short the cover. So we'll get to the cover now, and again, this is the contrast cut finned Outlaw air cleaner cover. Now the contrast cut fin cover, it is flat. Now the instructions that come with the 606 air cleaner tell you that if you're using a flat bobber style cover that goes right to the face of that, you will use the round gasket. It's a dampener gasket. It also prevents unfiltered air from getting in here and getting in these fasteners and seeping in. It's sort of a dampener so it doesn't vibrate as well. So you want to place that on there as uniformly as possible. You don't want too many edges sticking out. All right, now you'll put thread locker on this fastener that's going to hold the cover to the filter element, and we also include a nylon washer so that you don't scrape up the powder coat finish of the cover. Now you can run this any orientation you choose. I think the best way to do it horizontal is shown here, but to each their own. Let's get it started loosely before you take a step back. Clock it parallel. And that's it. Snug this fastener down. And again, it's very important you use thread locker on this cover bolt because we have seen these come loose and your cover go rolling down the highway. Just want to snug that up. You don't want to over tighten it. But with thread locker in place, rest assured it's not coming off. And that's it, man. That's the 606 installed with the transformer. We have a more in-depth how-to on the DK Custom Product 606, but this video is primarily for the transformer. Now, in addition to the 606 fin cover, we have a little bonus add-on, the finned timing cover. I'm going to throw that on there now. It needs no introduction or explanation of how to install it. Remove the 2 Torx fasteners. The kit includes 2 replacement fasteners to install with. So I'm going to take this off now. All right, now you may need a little assistance getting this off here. A lot of times it just falls off, but you don't really have anything to grab onto. So pull it off like so, and that's it. It's just a little cover with 5 on indicating 5 speed. And now we're going to install the timing cover. Looks much better, matches the cover of the air cleaner perfectly. So if you have questions about fitment for your particular model, leave us a comment below or shoot me an email to support@dkcustomproducts.com. Y'all ride safe out there.